Okay, here we are on assignment 8.1. And 8.1 we're going to use net present value, and that's how you need to understand the instructions for the assignment. So we're a financial management. We have a new project. We're going to generate cash flows $10,000 per year for 5 years, and then $15,000 per year for 2 years. And that is how you will answer this first question. You're going to answer the process of gathering the data to use net present value to evaluate this project. And you'll find that process on page 310. There are four steps you want to take, so read that and then lay out what you would need to do to value or evaluate this project. So once you've done that, then they ask you, what is the present value of the project's terminal value? Now you'll find the definition or a description of terminal value on page 350 in the book. Terminal value is the salvage value of an asset at the end of a project, and in this case it's $50,000. So we need to find the present value of a future value, okay, in 7 years at the rate of 14%, as I recall. Yes. So you're just going to lay that out. That's 50,000 divided by 114 to the 7th power, and that equals the terminal value. An easy way to do this is to come right into a cell and use the present value function. So this is 0.14 for 7 periods, right? Comma, no payment, so you leave a space there, comma, comma, and the future value is 50,000. So what is that present value? There you go. Now, just notice that showed a negative, so if you come up here and put a negative in front of that 50,000, it's going to give you a positive value. You've got $19,981 as the terminal value in this case. So kind of keep that in mind. I'll put that spreadsheet up so you can use it to play around with it and kind of get familiar with creating present value of future values. So that is number 2. And now they want to know, what's the most you should pay for this project? Well, if you're using net present value, okay, you're going to have to, or you're just using present value for that matter, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payments of 10,000 cash flow, 2 payments of 15,000 cash flow, plus that terminal value. And now you can calculate these all out by hand if you want. I mean, the calculation's right here. Or you can go to Excel again and use the net present value, the NPV. And that looks like this. And this is kind of a very neat function. So, oops, first of all you have to put in the rate. And then you're just going to put each value, each cash flow, in the equation. So I need 5 10,000s and 2 15,000s. Now, so here are my cash flow payments, my cash flow net present values, and this is my terminal value. So I just add those two together, and I have the proceeds of this project. So keep that number in mind, and I want you to do that on the spreadsheet. So now, is this project consistent with the firm's goal of assuming you can invest $25,000 in this project? What do you think? Would you invest $25,000 to get 141.06? Most likely, okay? So write up a very nice answer there. And then what's the primary goal of the firm? And what's the primary goal of any firm is to, I'll let you figure that out. There you go. Here, see you in the next one.